Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this gorgeous penthouse for sale in Alta Badia. Check it out! Buongiorno! Today we are in Trentino Alto Adige, and the property that we are about to see is in Val Badia, not far from where we are right now, on Il Passo Gardena in the famous area of Val Gardena. This is a skier's paradise. Here in this area we can find countless slopes, but not only in the wintertime. It's a beautiful location also in the summer months, where you can find countless trails surrounded by nature and you can take lovely walks. Personally, I can't wait to come and ski in this winter wonderland. But now, let's go check out the property. And here we are at the main door, so follow me. Welcome to the penthouse. Already from here, you can see the attention to detail. I mean, just look at this light on the wall. It's minimalistic but effective. In this apartment, we have heated wooden floors, and I want to point your attention to this wooden column and wooden beam. It's the same wood used on the outside of the building. I like how they maintain that also inside. Next to it is this cozy breakfast area, which is the ideal spot, actually, if you think about it. You can just sit down and check out what's cooking, and at the same time, enjoy the breathtaking view over the surrounding nature. Speaking of cooking, the kitchen has a darker tone and has a lovely granite countertop where we can find an induction stove with central exhaust fan, other than a double sink and all the storage space you could ever desire for. On this side, we have a microwave and oven, but not just that. There is a wine chiller and a built-in fridge with freezer. From here, you can also see the attention to detail, but also space optimization, because here we have a built-in area to have a washer dryer. From the kitchen, we have a direct access onto the balcony. From here, we have a breathtaking view over the mountains, which are home to the famous ski slope Gran Risa that hosts the ski championships. So if you're a fan, you can enjoy them from the comfort of your own home. And here is the dining area that can easily sit up to 8 people and enjoys a beautiful view over the surrounding pine forest through this large window. Right behind me is a second balcony. In fact, this space has a triple exposure, so it can enjoy a lot of natural light during the day. Over here is the living room, which has a beautiful fireplace, so you can just sit down and enjoy the warm fire, or enjoy a movie with your friends and family. The TV is retroilluminated with LED lighting, and below it has built-in storage space where you can keep all your DVDs or your games for game night. Apart from that, the couch is framed by this accent wall with mountain-themed wallpaper, as you might remember from the previous apartments. This is a smart home, and from here we have the main control to modify the temperature or activate the alarm system. You can also activate it from your smartphone when you're not home. But now I want to show you the bedroom area, so follow me. Before showing you the master bedroom, I just want to point out that here is a powder room that serves the floor, and right in front of it is the access to the elevator and storage space. I love how every corner of this house is utilized. The master bedroom has this gorgeous green accent wall that frames the bed, and right in front of the bed is this built-in sitting area where you can just sit and look at the beautiful view. It has such a romantic feeling to it. The master bedroom also has its own private walk-in closet and private bathroom with customized wallpaper, beautiful granite counter, and Turkish bath with aroma and chromotherapy. But we're not done here. The master bedroom also has access to its own private balcony. This is the ideal location because it is right in the middle of a triangle created by the mountains, La Villa, Corvara, and Santa Croce. So it is actually the skier's paradise. But it's not just the best place for skiers. Also in the summer months, there are many other activities that one could do, like hiking, biking, and many others. Not to speak of the local delicacies. Yum! Now we're gonna go and check out a second space always belonging to the property that is in the basement. So follow me. This floor is accessible by stairs or by elevator. And here we have the extra space, which is part of the penthouse, which is 30 square meters and is multi-use. It could be used to store your ski equipment or become an independent apartment with living area, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you haven't seen part 1 of this video yet, don't forget to check it out. Ciao!